Man, oh man, there's so many options here at Costco. Really help you stay ready up in here. I'm trying to tell you. Breakfast options left and right, all over the place, man. Let's do it. I'm feeling good today. Hopefully everybody's doing good out there. And I'm back at Costco to show you some breakfast options to choose if you're trying to stay on track. If you're looking for some options to replace the options you've been having that's gotten you in the situation that you're in right now, check out some of these options, man. Go check out Costco. Costco's amazing. Got great prices. Plus you get a lot for what you're getting, right? So let me know in the comments, what are some of the items you come to get at Costco, preferably for breakfast. Some of these options, man, they're great. First up, one of my favorite options that I've had. I'm excited that Costco carries them now. Costco has these Sola blueberry bagels. One bagel is going to get you 15 grams of protein now. I mean, you cannot beat that, especially for breakfast. Man, these things are amazing. If you've tried Sola bagels, let me know in the comments. You gotta let us know, because I bet you don't love, man, you're gonna say you love them because they are good. Now, Costco has the big pack of them, okay? So definitely check these out. Sola blueberry bagels, 15 grams of protein right there. This is a great option for breakfast. All right, so you're gonna get your protein in. Man, I'm trying to tell you, they taste great. Throw a little cream cheese on top, throw a little honey on top, or just eat them by themselves. I eat them by themselves all the time. Great quick snack to just grab and go. Better check out these Sola bagels if your Costco has them. Come on now. Now, if you're a fan of oatmeal, you got to check these out right here. Overnight oats. Costco is making it so easy for you. Look at that, 20 grams of protein, Joe. You see that right there? Look at that, 2 different flavors. A fan of oatmeal, you gotta come check these out, all right? They make it so easy for you. Easily make these 20 grams of protein real quick for breakfast now. You gotta check these out, all right? Come on, come check them out. All right, guys, if cereal is your thing, you gotta go to Costco, check out, see if you can find Magic Spoon. If you know about Magic Spoon, let me know in the comments. If you get down with Magic Spoon, this stuff tastes great. Chocolate brownie. They also have a fruity Magic Spoon flavor. Man, that tastes like Fruit Loops. If you know, you know. Let me know in the comments if you get down with Magic Spoon, man. Check this out. If you're at Costco, you can get a box that has 2 bags up in that joker. So it will hold you down, all right? Make sure you measure it out. I always recommend you measure everything out. But man, check that out. Magic Spoon. If you want something sweet, knock out a sweet tooth, plus you get some protein, go check out Magic Spoon. Let me know if you get down with the Magic Spoon, man. It is so good, all right? You really want to make your mornings taste good? I always recommend this. I can't come to Costco without buying a jar of this because I use it all the time. 4 fruits jelly. I always recommend you go get this, okay? If you're at Costco, go check out this big one right here. You add this to one of these right here, all right? And just call it a morning. You're gonna love yourself, I promise you, okay? Try this out. Try these out, let me know what you think. Both of these together, blueberry plus a little bit of that, make sure you measure it out. They're gonna dump this whole joker on there. Measure that out, let me know what you think, all right? I'm trying to tell you, it is so good, all right? Now, if you don't want to get down with them overnight oats, you can go find you some protein oats, okay? Costco has them here, all right? So 1/3 cup is gonna get you 9 grams of protein. The joker's right here, 5 grams of fiber, get you 9 grams of protein. Make your own overnight oats if you want to, or just have a bowl of oatmeal. Come on now, if oatmeal is your jam, go ahead and get down with this, okay? So check these out here at Costco, okay? And one item I always suggest you get when you're here at Costco, if you don't have it, man, it's great for all kinds of meals. You can add this to a lot of your breakfast ideas. You can add it to those bagels. You can add it to yogurt. What I'm talking about is honey. You gotta come get you some honey because Costco has a big one. I put honey on everything. If you watch any of my videos, you know darn well I'm putting honey on all kinds of stuff. I put it in my chia seeds. I put it on my yogurt. I put it on the bagels. I put it on everything. So make sure you grab you some honey. All right, guys, you don't want to get down with Magic Spoon, or if that Costco doesn't carry it, go check out this Catalina Crunch. Man, I've talked about this before in a lot of my videos. Man, this Catalina Crunch is good, okay? What you're looking at here is 11 grams of protein in 1 serving. This stuff right here is cinnamon toast. Man, come on now, you cannot beat that. If cereal is something that you like to get down with, Costco is definitely gonna have something for you, all right? Y'all look for your protein in there. Go check this out here, Catalina Crunch, man. Let me know in the comments if you get down with the Catalina Crunch, man. It is so good, all right? Check it out. Now in that same cereal section, go look for some granola, all right? If you like to put granola in your yogurts, man, go check it out. Check this out. You got this granola right here, 17 grams of protein, 17 grams of protein right there. All right, you can really kick up your protein goals with the quickness. Make sure you come check out the cereal. I'm telling you, everything's in here for you, all right? So definitely come check this out. If you'd like to add some granola, keep this in stock, all right? Make sure you measure out 1 serving. It's gonna get you 17 grams of protein. That's an easy way to get your protein in now. Come on. Okay, you're looking for a quick way to get you 18 grams of protein with the quickness. Get you some Greek yogurt. I'm trying to tell you, keep this yogurt in stock. Keep some type of yogurt in stock. Yogurt is such a cheat code when you're trying to get your protein goals. Man, I eat yogurt at least once a day. Once a day, put berries in it, put some honey on it, put some of that protein granola on it, put whatever you want to on it, or just eat it plain. You can add it to, you can make dipping sauces out of yogurt. I'm trying to tell you, man, yogurt is so simple. It's like a cheat code. It's a protein cheat code, okay? make sure you keep yogurt in stock. I get the non-fat version. You can get some with some fat in it. Doesn't matter. Just go find you some yogurt. Now, one serving of this yogurt right here is going to get you 18 grams of protein right there. All right, with the quickness, okay, and it's going to taste good. I have yogurts on the side of all kinds of foods. I make dipping sauces. I mean, you go watch my other videos. You see how I'm using yogurt all the time. And keep this yogurt in stock, okay? Oh, yeah. And Costco is also going to hold you down with the Chobanis. Now look at that, 20 grams of protein. This is a 16 pack, okay? This is going to hold you down. So look at that, all kinds of different flavors. 16 yogurts in here, 20 grams of protein each. Man, you cannot beat it, man. It's like a cheat code, okay? So definitely, if you like the flavored ones, if you don't want to get down with that plain one, definitely go grab you some of these Chobanis. 20 grams of protein. They also have some that are 15 grams of protein. I like to get the ones that are a little more protein in them, okay? So, man, if you're looking, man, go get you a big box of these and have these as your snack, okay? When it's snack time, go grab one of these instead of grabbing what you've been grabbing, what's put you in the place that you're in right now, right? So make sure you go keep these in stock, man. They're like a cheat code, all right? Yogurts, I have them all the time, all right? I eat yogurt, like I said, once a day, man, because it is so good. It's such an easy way to hit your protein goals, all right? So, man, y'all better go check out this Chobani. I'm trying to tell you, 16 cups, you can't beat that. And if coffee's your jam, you're trying to get your caffeine in, man, you can get that with some protein. If you don't want to make your own iced coffee, cheat code, just grab some ice, put it over this right here. You see that? Look at that. Come on now. Super Coffee Protein Plus, 25 grams of protein up in here, man. You can't beat that. You're looking to get you a little bit of coffee, plus get your, you're on the way out the door. You're trying to get your coffee, trying to get your protein in, put this on some ice, and you're good to go. Costco's making it easy for you, all right? So look for these easy cheat codes. Go get your protein, get your little caffeine in there too. It's all good, man. Look at that. All right, guys, I don't know if it get any easier than this, but these Premier Protein pancakes, man, I keep these in stock, man. These things are a great way to get 15 grams of protein. They taste great. You throw them in the microwave for like a minute and 15 seconds. You don't even need syrup with them, but what you can do, put a little honey on top. I'm trying to tell you, man, thank me later, all right? These things are a great cheat code. Keep these in the freezer for that time whenever you're trying to head out the house. I'm trying to tell you, I have these all the time. I keep them in stock. If you're watching my videos, you see them. Kids love them. Come on now, protein pancakes, 15 grams of protein. What it is, they're just 3 little pancakes, stick in the microwave, like I said, for about a minute 15, and you're good to go. So, man, I'm telling you, you gotta check these out, man. Keep these in stock. Costco's holding you down with the big pack, big old box of them, okay? Go get you a big box of these, keep them in the freezer, and thank me later. I'm trying to tell you, come on now. All right, whether you're talking about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, any time of the day, man, I recommend going and getting some berries, all right? Costco's holding you down. We got the triple berries here. It's got everything you need, tons of fiber in there. Tastes great, knock out a sweet tooth. Put them in your yogurts, put them in your oatmeal, put them, make smoothies with them, whatever you want to do, but keep these in your freezer, all right? I keep these in stock, okay? This is one of my go-to. You watch any of my videos, you know I'm keeping these berries in stock. And Costco's holding you down with the big bag. It's got triple berry in there. It's got everything you need. It's got blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries up in there, all right? Keep these in stock. Keep these in your freezer. You will be using them all the time. What I like to do sometimes is just get a serving out of here, put it in a cup, and have that. Man, I'm trying to tell you, it knocks out a sweet tooth. Real refreshing. If it's hot outside, you're gonna get your fiber. Mix these with those sparkling waters I've been telling you all about. Mix these, use these as ice cubes. So you're getting your some fiber. It's making it taste sweeter. And I'm trying to tell you, man, you're gonna like these, okay? Keep these around anytime. Anytime I come to Costco, it's usually time to pick up some more berries. Man, I talk about berries. It seems like I'm talking about berries in almost all my videos because, man, they're just so good. Go try some berries. Get you some berries. Definitely keep these in stock, all right? Ooh, this ain't breakfast, but y'all know about these. Boy, Costco's got the big box of Yasso. Get you some Yasso. Maybe not have it for breakfast, but put them in your freezer. It's going to be a sweet treat right here. Look at that now. Yasso, man, these jokers are so good. Let me know if you know about the Yassos. Yassos are really good. What's your favorite flavor? Any flavor is my favorite flavor, man. I keep these in stock. I have these all the time. All right, I just make sure you only have one though. Don't be trying to eat this whole box because they're going to taste good enough. You're going to want to eat the whole box. But man, look, Costco's got the big box. Man, you can't beat that. Let's go. All right, guys, this is not a cheat code for breakfast. Check this out. Go look for this right here. This water, 30 grams of protein up in this water right now. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take that, you're gonna use them berries. Thank me later. Use 1 serving of berries, pour this over it. You're gonna have a refreshing drink. Get 30 grams of protein right there. You can do that actually anytime. It doesn't have to just be for breakfast on these, man. You can use this anytime. Midday, you need a snack after dinner. If you're short on your protein goals, man, have you one of these drinks right here. I'm trying to tell you, have you one of these drinks right here, 30 grams of protein. Add it with that fruit because then you're going to get your fiber. This is a cheat code. Go pick you up some of these Keep these in stock too, because you're gonna be using these. Hot outside, man, it's hot outside, you need a refreshing drink. Grab you one of these, put your little fruit in there, thank you later. I'm trying to give you quick and easy options that you can use to hit your protein goals, okay? This isn't just for breakfast. You can have this any time of day. But if you need a nice refreshing breakfast and you're heading out and you don't want to do like a protein shake and all that, you're not getting down with that, or you don't want to do those oats or anything like that. If you're looking for a real quick option, use something like this to help keep you on track, all right? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you quick and easy options here at Costco. Make an investment in yourself, make an investment in your health, make an investment in the things that you eat. It will really help, all right? So you just gotta start thinking differently about how you're eating, the snacks you're having, plan out your meals. Good thing about Costco, it gives you enough where you can plan out a few meals and it really helps out, okay? Well, that's it, guys. Hopefully some of these options help you out. Let me know in the comments if they do. Let me know what you get at Costco whenever you come to Costco. Hopefully these meal ideas help you out. Just use them as an option. Whatever, maybe to replace things that you've been having, use some of these options. Try to get your protein first. These will help keep you full for a little bit longer. Use some of those snack options that I showed you. Let me know which one's your favorite, which ones are you gonna try out, or which ones do you already use. Let me know that as well. Put it in the comments, because that can also help out somebody else who might be looking for some ideas, okay? So definitely, if you got a Costco around, go check them out. Costco's holding you down, man. It's great. And remember, these are just breakfast and a few snack options trying to help hold you down, get you to your goals, and or keep you on track, because we got to stay ready, right? So if we stay ready, we don't have to get ready. Costco's gonna hold you down so that you can stay ready. So I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.